So this is our MistyTalks dashboard. We're going to show the sign up page. As you can see, we can add in a new user, but we already have an account, and go to the login page. So we're going to enter our stored email and password to log in. And so here we are at the dashboard. So now we're going to expose the side view, and we see we have access to key features, including the logout button. So let's go back to the home page. Now let's explore the About tab. So this page gives us some overviews and instruction on key items to be aware of when using Misty. Now we'll go back to the home page. So now we're going to move on to the My Account tab. Here we can see the basic information of the current user logged in. Now let's edit the user's password. We'll have to enter the password of the former user before changing the current password. The new password will have to be entered twice for accuracy. Oops, looked like we didn't type in the same password twice. And this time the passwords do match, and our password is saved. So back to the home page, let's go to the Preferences page. In the Preferences page, we have multiple editable categories. The preference name gives us a reference to our saved preferences. The robot name allows for Misty's name change. The IP address is to connect Misty to your local area network Wi-Fi. There's Misty's voice inflection, Misty's facial expression, Misty's custom expression based on inputs for valence or level attraction, arousal, and dominance, and that's on a -1 to 1 scale, and Misty quiet hours, which limits her ability to receive a text that may wake you up at 2 o'clock in the morning. So now we have this current preference, but let's create a new preference for Misty. We'll call the preference name Pref1. The robot name will be Judy. The IP address will be 10.0.1.3. The port number will be blank. The authorized phone number will be the same as the previous. We'll pick Allison's voice. Misty will have the concerned eyes expression, and her custom expression will be blank. So for the quiet hours, I love my sleep, so I'm going to have to set the time from 2000 or 8 p.m. to 1000 or 10 a.m. Now we'll go ahead and save that information, then go back into Preferences so we can verify that the values have changed and saved. Now we'll go back to the home page. We'll now click on the Surprise Me button. This tab allows us to verify Misty is connected by cycling through her LED colors on her belly and her many different facial expressions. We like to refer to this setting as her party mode. So now we'll move on to the Direct Talk, which is a text-style messenger that allows us to send a message directly to Misty for her to speak. We're going to go ahead and send Misty the message, "Mike is on the way home." Now this announcement could be used to alert family members and coworkers of events upcoming, or maybe be a reminder of events in progress. And really, the application for this capability are really limited only by the imagination of the user. So now let's go ahead and head back to the home page and open our side view so that we can log out of the application. So that's the current dashboard for users to customize and communicate through Misty. Now let's talk about the tech that went into this project.
Here's how Misty talks. The user sends a text to the Twilio number. ngrok then receives this text by intercepting it through a webhook. The local host then receives this data. Watson then processes the text, sends it back to the local server. Then the local server will send it to Misty as an audio file, and then Misty will finally play this audio file. And that's how Misty talks.
That concludes our presentation. We'd like to thank
Misty Robotics for their support, both in physical hardware and for their technical expertise.
Galvanized instructors and staff for their tireless efforts throughout our program.
And all of you for watching this presentation.
Would you like to say something, Misty?
Thank you for watching